July 7, 2022. So I've finished replacing the PCV box on this V70, and like Robert Spinner says, we're going to test it and see if it did any good. And there we go, it sucks that plastic in, so that works. But we're not home free, because when I had all this crap out to get to the hoses, I had a pressure washer in here, and I got the switch wet for the shift lever indicator switch. So now the switch on the dash light flashes off and on, and it won't go off. Like that. And I'm not going to change that son of a bitch, because I hate Volvos. I think they suck. So I'm going to pull all this stuff out from under here. I'll pull all this crap out, get it to switch, shoot it with some wire dryer, put it back together. If it still flashes, they can put a piece of tape over the dash. I don't give a damn. I've had this since 2012. It's got 50 hours road time and about $1,000 worth of parts and some labor for Robert. It's a piece of trash. So there you go. You like Volvos? Good for you. Not for me.